It's going to be a little bit scientific, so please focus with me. Refined carbohydrate actually hijack the cellular pathways. High glucose actually stimulates something called mTOR, shutting down the autophagy process. What is autophagy? It's actually a self-cleaning system of the cell. So the broken mitochondria and damaged protein piles up into the cell. At the same time, high carb intake suppress AMPK. What is AMPK? This is the repair switch that normally boosts resilience and metabolic balance. It also causes shift in the NAD-NADH ratio, which silence the protective enzyme called serotonin. This enzyme actually guards the DNA and extends the cellular lifespan. You may remember from my earlier talk how sugar causes glycation, forming something called AGEs, or advanced glycation end products. This stiffens the tissue and inflames the cell. If you missed that, please go back and review this episode. What's exciting is that this is just not theories anymore. Today we can actually measure circulating AGEs, track the NAD levels, and even see reduced autophagy markers in people with high carb diet. The biology is no longer invisible, it is actually quantifiable. Now, how is it linked to disease? A New England Journal of Medicine study shows that high glycemic load diet raises the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and blood pressure. In 2019 Lancet public health study showed that high glucose tied to higher overall mortality. There is a hepatology study also confirmed that fructose is the driver for fatty liver disease. Also reviewing the cancer and epidemiology studies has connected high glycemic diet with breast and colorectal cancer through simulating insulin and IGF signaling. And here is something new that is fascinating: the immune system. Recent study shows that high glucose fuel chronic low-grade inflammation, continuous low-grade inflammation, pushing the immune system into a constant on state. This state makes the body more prone to autoimmune disease like rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. In other words, refined carb don't just age your cells, they confuse and exhaust your immune system. So message is clear: refined carbohydrate damage the mitochondria, shuts down the repair system, inflame the tissue, and now we know they weaken the immune balance. Complex carbohydrate, completely the opposite. They stabilize the glucose, they keep the repair pathway active and preserve the immune function and protect longevity at the cellular level.